Imagine a vault sealed, impregnable, yet held not by steel or stone, but the lines of code whispering through the void. Pause. Now ask yourself, what everything you trust about money, about value, about power was a lie? Because in 2009, no one shattered that illusion forever. They called him Satoshi Nakamoto, a phantom, a myth dressed as a name. No one knows if Satoshi was one person, 10 or 10,000. Maybe a rogue AI slipped through time. But here's the shocker. The name unleashed a protocol, a script that no government, no bank, no empire could erase. Picture this, December the 31st, 2008. While the world groped through a financial apocalypse, a white paper lands in the inboxes of curious cryptographers, a Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, 12 pages, a manifesto, a bomb thinking beneath the foundation of old money. They read it incredulous. A ledger open to all, secured by proof of work, computations as battlefields, no central arbitrators, just participants in a global symphony of validation. And thus, the first block, the Genesis block, was forged on January the 3rd, 2009, embedded with a time-stamped headline. The Times, the 3rd January 2009, Chancellor on brink of second bailout of banks, atoned a prophecy. What if the line was Satoshi's way of telling us the old world is dying? Watch closely. So, do you, entrepreneurs, CEOs, CFOs, need to care? Because Bitcoin isn't a fad. It's the fundamental rewrite of trust. No hidden ledgers. Every transaction broadcast across a global mesh of nodes. Audit in real time. Imagine your books reconciling themselves. No blackroom tweaks. No off-the-books illusion. Proof you can hold. A digital signature. A forgettable, inescapable. Audits used to feel like medieval inquisition. Now, they felt like tapping a screen. Low-cost cross-border transfer. Goodbye. 5% remittance fees. Micro-payments at scale. Streaming payments for architects, songs, even your morning coffee. Fragments, frictionless. Banks charge you for breathing. Bitcoin doesn't care. Condition transitions. Money that waits. Money that only moves when conditions are met. Automation of agreements. No lawyers. No delays. Imagine a vending machine that sells itself and keeps the profit. Immunity to inflation plunder. Fixed supply, 21 million BTC hour. Digital gold. Security you can't legislate away. When governments print money, value evaporates, Bitcoin loves at fiat. This isn't just finance. It's a mirror of humanity's oldest question. What is value? Gold, heavy metal, Bitcoin? Lines of code? What connects them? Belief. Our ancestors carved coins to feel safe. Now carve digital footprints to feel free. Imagine a world where your identity, your assets, floats untethered by borders, where censorship is powerless, where the only thing you own is absolute proof that you're own. In Module 1, Video 1, you are here now, we delve into the origin story of the why. Video 2, peel back the layers of blockchain, blocks, chains, distributed ledgers. Video 3 is about consensus algorithms, proof of work, yet to come proof of stake. Video 4, real-world case studies, how enterprises from supply chains to gaming embraced the chain. Video 5, risk and regulation, dense with complaints emerge unsketched. By the end, you won't just know Bitcoin. You feel it like electricity crackling through your fingerprints about everything cryptocurrencies. Fear the system that steals your purchasing power. Fear the monopoly on money. But embrace the system that returns power to you, to entrepreneurs, dreamers, disruptors, because Bitcoin isn't just currency. It's permission slip to build, to innovate, to rewrite the rules. If money can be caught, why trust banks? If scarcity is digital, why hoard gold? If consensus is algorithmic, why tolerate corruption? Answer these in your mind. We'll revisit them when your mental fortress has been stormed by understanding. To subscribe, if you dare, smash the bell icon so the next revelation finds you. Because in video 2, we cracked open the blockchain. See the gears that drive this digital juggernaut. Don't just watch, engage, question, challenge your mission. Rewrite the ladder of your life. Welcome to revolution. Your business will never be the same. Welcome to the revolution, Voyagers.